I'm just a step away, I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today. Just another family torn
from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge. Just another day in the